So it's the day after your big holiday dinner and you have leftovers. What do you do with them? Now, you could always make a turkey sandwich, but wouldn't it be nice if you could make a day after roast turkey and stuffing casserole? It really is super easy, and it's going to require all the ingredients that you just enjoyed the day before with your big holiday dinner. So what we've done first is taken our casserole dish and we've buttered the inside. Now, you can also spray this, but I love the butter because it adds a really great richness to this casserole. Then you're gonna get your leftover stuffing. You'll need about 4 cups of it, and you're gonna take half of that stuffing and put it on the bottom of the casserole dish. Now, this is where your fingers will come in handy, or a nice flat spatula, because what you wanna do is get this all pressed into the bottom. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, I think it's easier. And you're going to create a layer on the bottom of the casserole dish of about 2 cups of the stuffing. And you're gonna love this casserole because it's simple, it's easy, and it'll use up all those leftovers in your fridge and free up lots of room. Now, once this is in place, grab your leftover green beans, cooked green beans, and sprinkle that in as your next layer. Just make sure they're nice and dry, not too much liquid. Then we're going to take 2 to 3 cups of turkey. I'm going to chop this up into small cubes and spread that over the top of the mixture. Perfect. Get that all nice and even. Now, here come the other 2 cups of your stuffing, or what we would call down south, the dressing, right? So we're going to take this, get it on top, and again, use my fingers to press this in and create another layer. It's almost like you're building a holiday lasagna, but with all your holiday leftovers, right? So this is simple and easy. Pop this in. Doesn't have to be particularly neat because all this will bake together, and that's really the nice part about all this. Once that's all pressed in, grab your leftover gravy. Now, you're gonna take this and drizzle it over the top. And your gravy will be a little thick this next day, particularly if it's been in the fridge. So once you get all of this on top, get a spoon or a spatula and just smooth it out a bit, and just spread this around. Ooh, this is starting to look so good. Reminds me of favorite Thanksgiving dinners and a great way to use up your leftovers. Now, once that's all in place, get a package of slivered almonds, and we're going to sprinkle those all over the top. Create a nice layer of almonds. Then we're going to grab a little parsley for color, spread that around nice and evenly. And then finally grab your cranberry sauce. Now, I know some of you probably made homemade cranberry sauce. Some of you will buy it in a can. Whatever you got left over, grab that. Stir that up in your bowl before you get started. You want this to be a little loose. And then you're putting dollops on top of the casserole. Now, here's a great tip. Use your dollops as a way to designate your portion. So if you pop these evenly apart after you bake the casserole, you can dig in right around each dollop and create one great big serving with your spoon. So we'll take our cranberry sauce and we'll dollop this nice and evenly across the casserole, creating servings. Add a little more, and you've got a perfect day after roast turkey and stuffing casserole. So now we're ready to go into a 350-degree oven for only about 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes in a 350 oven, and it smells like the holidays in here. All the things we loved yesterday for our holiday dinner, all now wrapped up in a great casserole dish. Now you'll notice that we put dollops of cranberry sauce around the top of the casserole. I'm gonna use those as a guide and use my spoon around them to create servings. Let's get ourselves a serving and try out our day after roast turkey and stuffing casserole. It's got all the great stuffing, the turkey, the green beans, the gravy, the almonds, and a little cranberry sauce on top for sweetness. Here we go. A great way to repurpose all of your holiday leftovers, all in one casserole dish, and now only one pan to clean up at the end of this great day.